Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to disable apps notification on Google Pixel phone. Friends, you want to disable any apps notification, example guys YouTube, Play Store, and guys your file guys you don't want to use notification. Friends, you want to disable because guys these apps disturb you. So man, how to disable apps notification? After disable guys this app notification will not show on your screen. So friend, first of all, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, scroll it and friends click on guys your phone app setting. After on guys app setting, friends, we will click on see all app. Tap here when which app guys you want. So guys, you can disable from here your apps notification. Sorry friends, we will click on first notification. I am really sorry. Then guys click on app setting. And guys you can see only this app. So guys click on most recent all app list. So all app list will show here, and guys you want to search any app, so you can search. So I will search here guys here Google app. So a Google app friends, you can see Google app. My notification is enabled. So guys you can see allow notification. So guys I will disallow means I will disable from here. After disable guys I cannot use Google notification on my screen guys, so Google notification will not come. Same setting as shortcut setting guys, you can see Gmail notification, and guys any another app notification you can disable from here. And guys you want a notification, so by YouTube notification guys you want to enable, you can see all YouTube notification guys, tap here your YouTube notification will enable. So like that guys we can enable apps notification. So guys I want my message notification. So which app guys very important for you guys, you can enable only that app notification. And guys, which app guys you do not use, you don't want to use, so you can disable notification from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable app notification on Google Pixel phone. So bye bye guys.